Are you using the correct ink cartridges for your printer? If you try using the wrong cartridge in your printer, it will display an error message. Make sure that the ink cartridges are in the correct slots. Placing a black cartridge in a colour slot may cause the printer to say that the cartridge has not been recognised. Have you been using the ink cartridge for a while? Some compatible cartridges will say not recognised when they are empty. Please follow these instructions to resolve the issue. Put down some newspaper in case any ink spills. Remove the cartridge from your printer, place it on the newspaper and switch your printer off. Unplug it from the wall and switch it off for about 10 minutes. Using a damp tissue or damp cotton bud, gently wipe the copper plate on the cartridge. Wait for the cartridge to dry completely, then reinstall the cartridge into your printer and switch it back on. Cartridge people. Printing sorted.